How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today we're gonna be taking a look at 5 amazing applications that you should definitely download for the month of September. As always, I will be giving away some promo codes in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first up we have an application which goes by the name called Spike. Spike makes your email experience a lot simple and clutter-free. What it does is, it basically turns your boring emails and transforms them into a chat conversation so you can communicate seamlessly with others in a more effective way. All you have to do is, you just need to sign up with your existing email either on your desktop or from your smartphone. And once you logged into your email ID using Spike, all your email conversation will look more like a chat boxes similar to WhatsApp or Messenger, and it is very easy to communicate with the help of this application. Apart from this, I also like how Spike prioritizes your mails so you can stay focused and see only the important messages first. You can also send voice notes just like in chat. You can send files as attachment. You can also do a voice or a video call. Basically, it brings all your communication, tasks, reminders and team collaboration at one place. So you can boost up your productivity, clear clutters and keep all your emails organized. You can also create notes or tasks collaboratively, and the other person does not even need to have Spike to be able to collaborate with you real time. Overall, if you're looking for a way to boost up your email productivity, then Spike is what you should definitely download. You can find a direct link in the description below. Next up we have Fania. Fania is a to-do list and a task manager app that manages all your tasks with the most beautiful and simple interface. With this, you can easily create a new task, view them on a daily basis, and also you can add reminders with notifications as well. To create a new task, you just need to tap on this create new task, choose the start and finish time and then the category. Once you are done, now you will be able to see all your completed and ongoing tasks in the home screen itself. Apart from this, you can also search a task from the completed or the ongoing list. Even though the app is completely free to download, it also has the premium version, such as you can add custom categories and even export your tasks to other devices. Overall, the app is really good, and I think it's one of the best looking task manager app that you can get from the Playstore. Next we have the KWGT widget pack, which goes by the name called Apple for KWGT. As the name suggests, the widgets that you see in this pack are heavily inspired from the iOS, but still they look different and has a unique style to it. It consists of more than 70 beautiful widgets that I think looks great on your home screen. And the best part is, the pack also supports dark as well as the light version of all these widgets, so you can combine them with any wallpaper. It will definitely make your home screen stand out. There are so many iOS inspired widget packs available in the Play Store, but this one is quite different and has one of the unique collection of widgets. Well, it's not a free widget pack, but I do have 40 promo codes to give away. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Now the fourth application on this list is actually a launcher called as Minimalistic Productive Launcher. This is one of the best productive launcher that you can get for your Android device. If you really want to reduce your screen time or you just want to be more productive, then all you have to do is simply download this launcher. Once you set it as your default launcher, you will get this plain minimal home screen which shows you the battery percentage, date and time along with your favorite applications as well. By swiping left, you get an app drawer which consists of all your applications. The best part is, it also offers some customizations like you can change the theme. There are a bunch of different themes that you can find inside the launcher. You can change the font style and even it lets you to customize the icon pack. Overall, if you're looking for a minimal launcher that will keep you more productive, then definitely try this one out. Finally, we have an app called Privacy Guard. This app enables you to keep track of all your data in one simple place. These days, most of the apps collect a lot of data from us so they can show some relevant ads. But with this app, you can track all of your data and protect your privacy in one place. Basically, it allows you to disable location history, personalization features and many such settings with a one simple tap. So if you don't want the hassle to go through all your phone settings just to disable these options, then you can download this app and track all your data in one place. For the price of free, I will highly recommend you to give this one a try. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 5 amazing apps that you can download for the month of September. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.